Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we are coming right back at you with another very special sneaker unboxing. It is in orange label. An orange label. An orange label. I don't know where I'm going with that, everyone. It's an orange label Dunk High. This is the Nike SB Dunk High Pro ISO. It's the Doraemon colorway, and we'll talk more about that later. These are a UK 11, that makes them a US 12. The colorway, if I can read it, it's university red and some blue and some white. I can't read that. I don't know what that says. And it's a and the code is CJ2692400. But let us look. Let us look. Now, I'm going to get them out, and they are a Dunk High, and they have come in a very large orange label box. And let's put that down there. So, I'm just going to flash this to you all first, and then we're going to have a little chat. Let's get the other one. So, there we go. So, boom. What do you think? I'm going to spin it. Now, I'm kind of asking everybody what they think, including my director, SJ. And she's got to speak up loud.
They're all right.
They're all right. Right, there's a story. So, SJ really wanted these in a, what, 6.5? 6, UK 6.5 probably. And we couldn't quite manage to secure that. However, there is a store that might have some. She just has to be brave to go in. Now, these are a great representation of the cat from the future sent back to save us. Or is it Nobby he sent back to save? I'm not sure. But did you know that anime is 50 years old this year? And I'm loving the fact that Nike is just like going through and just like, right, okay, we're going to do some interesting things. First of all, so we have got, and we're going to come in, I don't know which camera, SJ, I think, because it's, which camera do you think? We're going to try on this camera over here. And we're doing that because these are white, the lights, and obviously white and blue, the lights, they kind of, they kind of pick it up a bit too much over there. So we've got tough blue suede, feels nice. Standard SB suede, but feels nice. There, we've got the red swoosh. That is in, feels a bit like a new buck, if I'm honest. It doesn't feel like the blue suede here. Oh, and actually, SJ, you just need to direct me a little bit more so that I can get in the middle. There we go. So, yeah, so it doesn't feel like this. It feels a bit more new buck-like. Then we've got, if we have a look on the tongue tab, yellow tongue tab there, we got that, SJ, and then we've got this, looks like tumbled leather and white tumbled leather panels. Feels nice and soft, feels proper soft, it really does, proper soft. And now I'm going to undo the knot there because I want to show you something. And as always, everyone, they just lace them too much. So let's just move that there. Let's loosen this. And I'm doing this live, so it's a little bit tricky, and I'm sure you've all seen this. So we've got this like orange material here, salmon material, nearly. And now I need to undo it because I've got no strength left. But I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to bring that in there. Okay, we're going to go to another camera. SJ's just giving me the directions on this. So have a look. You can see the little stash pocket. How nice is that? That's proper nice. So yeah, and they're a really nice Dunk High. Now, SJ, the first time she saw these on Sneaker News, she was like, "Oh, I love those Spider-Man dunks." I was like, "What? There's no Spider-Man dunks." And so for her, these are considered the Spider-Man dunks. So let me know in the comments below. What do you think these are? Are these Spider-Man dunks? I can see it. I can kind of see it. There's a bit more blue and white than there is red. But I can see it. For me, like, I see the total connection between the cat from the future, the Doraemon, and like, I think that they're a really interesting representation of that. The colorway is great. Now, also, we didn't look at the sole. Have a look at the sole. Boom, blue and red. They look really good. And like, there hasn't been, like, we've had a year of dunks. 2020 is the year of dunks so far. But you know what we've not had? We've not had enough dunk highs. So I'm expecting for winter, for fall, flowing into 2021. I can't believe I'm talking about 2021. I am expecting loads more dunk highs. I just think that they're going to, they've rinsed the lows. They're going to do some special things with the highs. Obviously, a harder profile to work with, a harder silhouette to work with for sure. But I think you can do some interesting things. This leather, just take a look at that. It's soft. It's so soft. And as always with a dunk high, I love the amount of padding that I get around here. Like, I love a dunk high. Then I know they're not for everyone. I love dunk mids. I love that slightly higher profile. Not that I don't love a dunk. You all know I love a dunk. But anyway, so what did we all think? Did we manage to get this? Did we think, nah, too many dunks, or are we kind of like, I'm not sure. So let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're not, that's fine. I won't take it personally, honestly. And of course, everyone, don't forget to join us on Sneaker Streaming Sundays. That's every Sunday, 8 p.m. UK time, 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast. Where we talk sneakers and things. And while we come over to this camera over here, don't forget, you could go and watch another video. It's over there somewhere, so don't forget to do that. And what do you think? What do you think of the video? White. Alternate laces, everyone. SJ's just shouting at me. You can see in there, white. I'm not changing them. I love the red. I'm all about red. But yes, go and watch one of those videos. No, genuinely, it's just there. Boom. Zoom. So bright, that light.